Ace and Asia are back. Ladies and gentlemen. Say hi, guys. Oh. Ace boy. Well, Asia's still up here. Hi, Asia. Ace boy. Well, he sees himself. Asia, what are you doing? AC boy. AC boy, you're back. You're up, AC boy. Ow! Hold on. Ow, you stinker. Yeah, they're back and they're more deadly than ever. Okay. So, look. Okay, AC boy, you ready? Go. Ow! Lazy dog, go get it. Okay, I got us another. AC boy! You want to tell him? Okay, he's being lazy. I'm gonna go talk to Asia. No, AC boy, I didn't say I was gonna talk to you. I said I was gonna talk to Asia. Stop it, doggos! Doggies, come here. There goes AC boy. Asia, you just kicked my camera. Jerk. Hi, Asia girl. Ew, she's licking my ear. Oh, now you're licking my arm. Are you a good girl, Asia? Are you a good girl, AC boy? Oh, me, AC boy, you're so cute. Look at Asia. Asia, come here. You see her? Stop. Stop. That's what I thought. Okay, let's get to the running part of the video. Okay, AC boy, get down. No, don't. Is he behind me? Oh, oh my God! He was right there. Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Get juked. This doggy is cute. Adorable, but there's one thing I hate about him. He is he is a dog who likes to play, and then after he plays he gets lazy. Asia, you're quite the opposite. You're lazy all the time, aren't you? Get the bug off your face, Asia. Okay, AC boy, you're eating. Good boy, you're eating your food. As if you're fat as you already are. Oh my God! Oh my God! AC boy just stopped in front of me. Oh my God! So I'm gonna throw a rock at AC. No dogs were harmed in the making of this video. I missed. Pretty badly. Yeah! Come here. Oh my God! Easy boy. Ah! He's chewing on my legs. No, give me that stick. Oh my God, easy boy. Catch that. Oh. Behind me. Where is he? Where is he? Oh! Come here. Let me give you a hug. Ah! Ah! Don't jump on me. Stop chewing on my shoe, dude. Oh my God. Easy boy. I'm gonna trip. Oh my God. Easy boy. Cut it out, dude. Yeah, that's right. You just got whacked. I'm gonna grab you by your collar and put you in the kennel inside. Ow! You cut it out, dude. I didn't make this video just for you giving them ASMR of you chewing on my shoe, dude. Bad dog. That's it. Catch this rock, kid. Oh, I missed. Got you. That's what you get! Asia, you're now my favorite sibling. Now, get off, AC boy. You don't deserve to be loved. Stop. Asia girl. You're not mean like your brother, huh? You wanna say hi? I'm just kidding, Easy Boy. I love you. Don't lick my face. Appreciate the love, man, but don't lick my face. Kind of weird. And weird. Okay. Yeah, that's dogs. Whoa! Hola, mama.
Hola, did you use your vitamins today?
Okay, those dogs. Oh, it's burning hot!
Wash your hands in the bathroom sink.
Aww. I don't like the bathroom sink. It's not that fancy. Oh, God. I don't know if you saw, but whenever I got burned, I launched water into the air. Dude. Ow. Dude. Look at the mark. Do you see how black it is right there? Dude. Okay, I'm gonna get my cup and drink water. And yes, I do like tap water. If you don't like tap water, then the water around you is not good. The more you know. And yeah, if you want to see more videos with the doggos, hit that follow button.